What is good, guys? Whilst I'm sipping on my tea, let me break you guys down how I made 63,000 fucking dollars today. So as you guys know, if you saw the video of yesterday, you guys have seen that obviously I breached my top step LFAs, which is live funded accounts, right? So I did those, and well, I just breached them, and yeah, and then I activated 5 new funded accounts because I bought 5 combines like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think two. And I was like, if I do blow this account, at least I'll be ready to go fresh into funded. I don't have to pass a challenge again. Doing all that fucking. I didn't want to do it. And you like it's easier to pass a challenge when you have a funded than you don't have to rush the challenge. So I took a couple days to pass it. Actually, didn't take 2 days. I took like 3 4 days. So I was just chilling, making like 2 3K a day. Now, anyways, I got the funded account Asian session, gold. Let me just show you guys the screen so you guys can see as well. So here we are on the chart, as you guys can see. We have here obviously gold. What we can see is, I'm gonna show you guys this as well. This again was shared to daily analysis ahead of time, guys. Always ahead of time, shared to my community. You guys can see I was expecting still Nasdaq all-time high. This video might be earlier before FOMC. I'm thinking FOMC's buys actually now, looking at EU and Nasdaq and everything, but I'm not really too sure. But as I said, you guys can see this was a big demand. Yes, it was, but all I needed was just confirmation. Once I get that confirmation, I can look for buys in this demand zone, as you guys can see. So that's exactly where we are. We are in this demand zone. We started the day with a little bit of drop. From that drop, we started pushing, and I was looking for continuation buys towards, I didn't really have a target, which is kind of hard at all-time high. But yeah, just knowing that sooner or later we have to pump. We have to go somewhere, right? So you guys can see here, for example, I thought this low was gonna hold. It didn't. I didn't long because I was waiting for a chalk maybe from this low, because I had continuation break of structure. Now that didn't happen. Then we had that bounce, very beautiful bounce. From that bounce, we got a slight break of structure because price will re-break this high. I was potentially waiting for this high to get broken as well. Once that did, we did get a retest. Once we got that retest, I saw that we potentially have this liquidity sweep as this demand as well. Right, so you have demand here, so people trying to buy, because actually this candle, it went up. I was watching this live. This was on Asia Open. This candle went up quite a lot, and I was watching someone's TikTok, and he actually went long, and he got stopped out. So I went long. I think I got filled like somewhere around here, and I was in this trade. I think I was risking around $2,000, so I was targeting a 1 to 5 ish, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. I don't exactly remember. Shit, my camera almost fell down. Let me put it like this. So it was like a 1 to 5 on alpha. I was risking 1.2 or 1.3k, or maybe even close to 1.5k. We did come down, and we did come down close. And here, I don't know why, but I decided to scale in, and I trailed my stop here. So that's like half hour, right? So I trailed my stop here. I decided to scale in like this, boom. And then obviously with that, I set my TP a little bit closer. I think it was 52.20, because all I wanted to do was make $10,000 on top step, which is a max payout I can do, or max balance. It's very simple, right? You guys can see price retest here. This is all-time high sweep. So we break all-time high, random dump. Well, I was kind of worrying that we might dump, but I was like, you know what? If it goes down from here, it might go down lower, and then I can get another entry. That's why I scaled in. So half hour, so that was 1 hour, so I was looking 2k and then 1.5k, something like that, or 2.5k. I don't exactly remember, but actually maybe I can show you guys 1 sec. I think I have the screenshot, because I was low-key crashing out, because I was very close to TP, and yeah, I was low-key crashing out. I was like, what the hell, Katy Perry is going on? For example, here you guys can see that this is my original, like my entry was here actually, so I had a better entry on this. So you guys can see that, and then I trailed my stop. My original entry was here because I actually took that trade on another account a little bit earlier. I took the trade. We had that break of structure. We had this break of structure. Once we had that break of structure, I put my limit order at this low, and it got instantly filled. Like, that was a very good entry. And anyways, I scale in. we chop around quite a bit, but then we just fly to TP. And I remember exactly my TP was this because it dumped a little bit and then it pumped, right? So as you guys can see, this is the TP. Now let me go to the dashboards and show you guys the dashboards as well. So Alpha Ticks and Top Step X. You guys can see here 6,740, 6,740. Obviously, they are copper traded. You guys can see 3 winning streak. I did 3 trade breakdowns this week, and they're all hitting TP. As you guys can see, this is the trade of today. I took this trade in the Asian session, obviously. And then we have Top Step X, $10,000 first trade. I did a consistency already yesterday, like very quickly. But you guys can see, I had one trade, and then obviously you guys can see the scaling. So 67, 67, 67 was my entry. And then 78, and then yeah. So 18. This is obviously different than like futures is different than trading view, so I can't really compare. But it was very close. So that's you guys can see 5 accounts, $50,000, and then this one's balance. They're fucking insane. Now on the other account, I just have to make, if I'm not mistaken, around $3,000, and then consistency will be met on that account as well. This account already has been met, and this account only needs it as well. And then I'm done trading. So tomorrow will just be alpha. I won't be trading top star. I will just be doing consistency. That's that. Very simple and quick breakdown. Hope you guys did enjoy. It was just simple, beautiful continuations on Asia session. I haven't posted this on my Twitter because a lot of people were complaining about the retest actually from here, right? When gold retested all this, and then obviously I did continuation buys. And then I think I said it again, but I'm not really too sure. But essentially, well, yeah, I guess I didn't say it. Okay, that was the day before, yeah. So anyways, that's that. Hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you guys did learn something new. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe as usual. I'll catch you guys in the next one, most likely tomorrow.